Children, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer class. In today's class, we are going to learn lesson number 7, Fun with TuxPaint. In previous standard, you have seen basic about TuxPaint. Now, let's have a small look what you learned in your first standard. How to open TuxPaint. The start button is given on your desktop. Click on start button. All programs will come. From there, click on TuxPaint. One another option, once you install TuxPaint in your computer, it will visible on your desktop. Double click on that icon, then your TuxPaint window will appear. Okay, in this way you can open TuxPaint. Now, in this lesson, what we are going to learn? Opening a new drawing in TuxPaint, rotation of shapes, undo and redo tools, line tool, pen tool, fill tool, stamp tool, magic tool, text tool, save tool, and slideshow. Now let's see one by one. First, what is TuxPaint? A TuxPaint is a free drawing program used to draw different shapes and drawing. It has a simple, easy to use interface and Tux mascot which guide children as they use the program. Children, you are using pencil, eraser, color palette, crayons, sketch pens while doing drawings. Same thing you are using in TuxPaint for free drawing TuxPaint for drawing different shapes, okay, and coloring. Okay, children. Now let's start TuxPaint. Now, how to open new drawing in TuxPaint? Before that, I want to tell you about something about once your TuxPaint window appear, how it looks like. Your TuxPaint window is divided into four parts. Which four parts? The left side of the TuxPaint window, it is for tools. It has different tools like paint, stamps, lines, shapes, fill, new, quit. Okay, so many tools are given there. On the right side of the window, brushes are given there. It is for selector. As your tool change, your selectors also change. Down, color palette is given there. Below that, a help box is given there. The middle portion, which is visible you in white color, it is nothing but it is a canvas which is used for drawing. So in this way your TuxPaint window is divided into four parts. Now let's start how to open new drawing. For that you have to click on new button. New tool is used to start a new drawing. As soon as you click on new tool, the with the colors which the window will appear, it has so many colors options are given. That is nothing but these are the background for your new tool. Okay, some images are also given. If you want any background for your tool, or any if you want any image as a background, you can select according to your choice. Now how to rotate shape. First, go to tools, click on shapes. Once you click on shapes, in selector so many shapes are given. Some hollow shapes, some solid shapes are there. Suppose you select a triangle, click on that triangle, go to your canvas, click there, drag your mouse. Once you select your desired shape size, leave your release your mouse button. Okay, then your mouse pointer will turn into a spinner in arrow. Okay, with the help of this arrow you can rotate your shape according to your choice. In this way you can rotate the shapes in TuxPaint. Undo and redo buttons help you. Undo helps the last drawing action. You can use undo more than one action. Redo helps the drawing action. You just undid the undo tool. Line tool helps you to draw straight lines. Okay, in scenery and in anywhere, if you click on line tool, in brushes or in selector there are so many line tool options are given. So in this way you can use line tool. Below color palette is also given. So select color, whichever color line you want, and select the uh, s- select selector from your line. Okay, in this way you can use line tool. Now pen tool. Pen tool is used it is used to draw scenery in it is used to helps in draw sceneries and like if you want to draw grass, you select pen tool, select desired brush, select color which you want, and you draw grass with the help of pen tool. Now fill tool. Fill tool is used to fill colors in any close shapes. You can fill colors in your shapes also, in your scenery also, in your drawing also with the help of fill tool. Now stamp tool is like a rubber stamp or a sticker. So if you click on stamp tool, so many stamps will come. You can select your stamp, you can increase the size of your stamp. The button is given there. With the help of this you can increase or decrease the size of your stamp. You can flip stamp, you can take mirror. One more button is given there. If you click on there you can take mirror image of the stamp. In this way you can use stamp tool. Now magic tool is used to add special effects in your drawing. Suppose you want to add rain effect, you want for trains, street you want, if you want a grass, if you want flower bird bed. In this way you can use magic tool in this your drawing. Click on magic tool, so many selectors will come on the right side of the window. From that select any selector and select color which color you want, and you can do you can use magic tool. Now text tool. Text tool is helps to give text to your picture or any image. Suppose you want, if you click on text tool, tool is given there. Click there. You can take text tool in you want to change its font size, you want to change its font style, you can change. Okay, so in this way you can use text tool. Now save tool. Now children, we have seen in WordPad how to save any document. So it was a very lengthy process. But here no need to give file name, nothing. Just click on save button. As soon as you click on save button, your file will be saved. So in this way you can use save tool. Another open button. If you click on open, whichever existing file you save in your text paint, it will open. So whichever file you want, you can click on that. Okay, so in this way you can use save tool and open tool in text paint. Now one more tool, quit. If you want to quit from text paint, you can click on quit. Two options will come, yes I am done and I want to quit. So if you I want to go back, if you click on yes I am done, then you can quit from TuxPaint. Now slideshow. Slideshow is helps to uh, slideshow is help you. With the help of the slideshow, you can create different stories of your sceneries and run it one after another. So slideshow help you to run all your sceneries, or if you create any stories, so it will run one after another. Okay, if if you want to go from one slide to another, two buttons are given there, next and back. You have to click that buttons manually. If you click on next, you go to next slide. If you click on back, you go to your back, again you back to that previous slide. Okay, so in this way you can use slideshow. It is given if you, once you open uh, click on open button, so many files are given there. From there you can select two buttons are given there, click on slideshow. so you can create your own slideshow. So in this way you can you can use slideshow. Now children, you have seen in this lesson TuxPaint, how to open drawing in TuxPaint, rotation of shapes, undo, redo tool, line tool, paint tool, fill tool, stamps, magic tool, save tool, and slideshow. So children, all these things we will see in detail in our live session. Till then, do practice and download TuxPaint in your computer. How to download TuxPaint in your computer? Just go to Google Chrome, type TuxPaint free download. Then you can able to download TuxPaint in your computer. Okay children, till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.